Hi and welcome to Urban Sketching in Singapore. Urban sketching with line and wash is a fun way to create fresh and spontaneous works while enjoying some time outdoors. It combines the benefits of ink drawing and watercolor painting. Urban sketching is a great way to improve your drawing and painting skills. In this class, you learn how to transform some urban scenes of Singapore into some beautiful line and wash sketches. This class is aimed towards beginners with 4 line and wash demonstrations which I'll guide you through step by step. There are scans, drawing and tracing templates included for each demonstration to help you transfer your drawing over quickly and easily. You can follow along to my real-time drawing and narration videos for all of these demonstrations. In this class, I explain every technique I use while drawing and painting, such as using watercolor to paint shadows on a building. I'll be going over the basics of line and wash sketching. I'll show you how to sketch with the pen quickly and accurately using a variety of techniques, including drawing lines in segments, hatching, and using different size nibs to your advantage. I'll also talk about what materials you'll need, your options, and which ones I use and recommend. If you have a pen, some watercolor paints and paper, then you're set to go. So join me in this class. Let's create some beautiful drawings and paintings that you can be proud of.